Breaking news. The plane carrying an unknown monster made an emergency landing. According to the information, one of the pilots picked up the phone and read the message, "Do not read SMS from the unfamiliar number." This has been lying here long enough. It's time to throw it out. This has been lying here long enough. It's time to throw it out. Momo? These are all fairy tales. I was told that she comes in a dream and takes you into her fictional world, feeding on your suffering. And if you're weak, well, you will never be able to get out of sleep. This is just complete nonsense. Breaking news. The plane... Perhaps that's enough. I'm already kind of stuffed. A great solution to relax after a busy day. Oh, I'm a vampire. That's cool. I guess it's time for me to read War and Peace. I did leave the Spider-Man comics in the city anyways. Perhaps that's enough. I think I'm already kind of gorged. It's too late. It's time for me to go to bed. What the hell happened here? Don't believe I existed. What? Let's see how you... Who the hell? Well, my roof is trashed, and I'm still a vampire. Man, this pizza would be enough for tomorrow. It attached. The bones don't seem to be broken. What is this place? This is not our home! If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned, and I need help. I went down to the secret passage behind the closet. Don't be fooled by the door. It's a trap. The boards will fail. This monster... It's too smart and too dangerous. Save this key. It will still come in handy. My dear friend gave me this book 15 years ago. Now, our paths have diverged greatly, but I keep this book as a bright memory. You can take a look if you want. It's the second shelf, the 12th book. I highly recommend reading it. Great. It wasn't that hard. If you find this letter... What? What is this place? Prison? The door is locked with some kind of unusual key. The door is locked with some kind of unusual key. I was able to catch her in a Where can I find it? We were sure that it was a good idea to transport her by plane. How wrong we were. She became angrier and more dangerous. I was able to catch her. I can't open this door. It stinks in here. Nothing happened. The bolts are installed firmly. I can't open it with my hands. It looks like something may have gone down the pipes. Maybe I shouldn't twist anything anymore. It stinks in here. Nothing happened. Maybe one more time. It looks like something may have gone down the pipes. Maybe I shouldn't twist anything anymore. Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. I can't open this door. Great, the door's locked. I can't open this door. Who is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation. It's so familiar to me. In any case, you won't get out. Goodbye. Run. It's a bird with a woman's face. She is merciless. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! I can't open this door. The door is locked with some kind of unusual key. But where can I... Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. The bolts are installed firmly. I can't open it with my hands. This place is locked for a reason. There's clearly something here. I can't open this door. Did she notice me? It seems like it passed. That thing! How do I get out now if she's there? I can't open this door. Huh? Where did she go? Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. It looks like some kind of old prison with a security room. But who the hell was being held here? Huh? She's gone somewhere again? What kind of game are you playing? Oh, you're so resistant. I like to feel your... Damn, the entire iron's broken!